Good evening, everybody. Welcome to your weekly psychic reading. This time, I'm not going to use any of my tarot cards or oracle decks. Rather, today I am going to use Lenormancy. These are Lenormand card. They are very different from the usual tarot decks that we have. And it will be a general reading. Of course, there are choices that you have to make. So those choices are between 8 different shapes of lines. So I'm going to draw a tablet here, and you have to pick the one of the lines of those that spread basically. So let's see what do we have this week as part of our guidance. I hope you have made your choice among these 8 lines. Let's go. Let's see what do we have for this week from 25th to 26th to the 31st. Let's see what do we have. So the spread starts with our center card, I am laying this spread so that you can really choose the lines. Which one do you want to go ahead with? Let me just spread these cards in front of you, and then we'll go ahead with your specific readings. 3 more. I hope you can see. And here we have. All right. So I hope you know the choices that you have to make is, I'll just repeat again. Let me just set these cards. All right. So you have to choose among this line or this line or this line, or 4th, 5th line, 6th line, then this diagonal, and then this diagonal. Let's see how this week is going to be for us, and how our lines and the choices of lines are going to shape and help and guide and give recommendations. So Lenormand is very different from tarot. Here the cards, the pictures that are drawn on the cards have no relevance. What is very important here is the way these cards are interacting with the other cards. Okay, so I'll give an overall picture of this week by reading a combined, giving you a combined information about this whole spread. And please watch this video till the end, so that you can actually have that general anchor message also for your own self, that will guide us for these 6-7 days. All right, so let's begin. I'll just turn around all these cards. I hope you have made your choices. This is the first line. This is the second line. Second vertical line, okay? Simultaneously, the horizontal lines are also coming up. These are beautiful cards. Very beautiful cards. I really love them. Okay, so I hope the choices are done. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. All right, let's go ahead. So the first First line, if in case you have chosen the first line, your message in short are given by Owl House and Grave. So this week basically is a week of communication, very short-lived communication or a very short communication, some communication or an insight or some ideas coming to you in your and related to, you know, in case you're trying to buy a property for yourself or some your own house, so there is some gathering maybe may happen or somebody would come and some communication will happen or gossiping. This is yet another card which says that, you know, kind of a gossips around house or in house will happen. That short communication is going to bring about a change. That change probably you won't like because but it is a transformation. It is a transformation in your situation. So somebody in your house is going to talk about or in the family is going to talk about something which is bringing a major change in your life. That change is not actually a change, that change is actually a transformation. So that's the first line. People who chose the second, your messages are garden, fox, and the rider. All right. So I see you in some social gathering. That can be work related social gathering or some meeting with people who are very smart. They may play with your mind. It can be a game, you know, it can be official gathering or meeting, something of that sort. Uh, and through that, some news will come to you, or you know, you'll get to know. Maybe in these gatherings regarding your, you know, your employment, you'll get to know something. Another thing that I'm getting from here is in these meetings or in a get together kind of a environment or maybe a seminar or a virtual thing wherein there are people around, some social gathering that way, it can be a virtual thing also. You will get to know about somebody, from your office, some news regarding this. So your basic this thing is this week's theme is that you are in a group of people who are who can be work related or somebody who has a very cunning approach towards life, and that will actually give you a message. A message will come to you through this meeting, this formal meeting, or cunningly, even if somebody gives you a news will reach out to you. So, and what is that news? Do write in the comment box. The third row, mice, snake, ring. All right, so you were stressed about, you're basically stressed about, or you know, maybe kind of sneaking away from something which is not right. You don't feel right about this particular thing. So you know, there is some stress, there is some anxiety, there is some sneaking away or escapism that you feel, or maybe some deceit you are feeling is happening around partnership, around marriage, around relationship. So this week definitely you have to see. I just told you that, you know, these are different from tarot reading. They do not give you a guidance kind of thing. They actually tell you how the events will occur, where will you, and how, what is coming up around your aura. So here this week is definitely a week wherein you're stressed about you know, something or somebody sneaking away or maybe deceiving, and you're not feeling comfortable around that. Or you know, maybe you sense another woman in a relationship. So yeah, so that's your message. Fourth, this is this line. For you, the message is owl, garden, and the mice. So there is some communication or a short term gossiping in the meetings, some get together or some small gatherings may happen. And I believe this is more to do with family, friends, catching up together, or you know. Some sort of networking. It can be an online thing also. So some communication that happens to you in that in these places, in such gatherings, bring about some communication, or some chit chat, that will cause stress to you. um, that will definitely give you anxiety, right? And either you would try to run away from here, or you would find out that somebody else is running away. So yeah, this week is that. Oh my goodness, Lenormancy is very different, very different. All right, fifth, this line: house, fox, snake. All right, in your family there is somebody, some relative, or some deceitful thing is happening, some cunning thing is happening, some behind your back there is something happening, some deception, treachery, hidden intentions are there, which you have to be very, very, very careful about. Because around your house, around your own place of domestic affairs, or around your inheritance also, if in case there is something to do with property, land, inheritance, there is a lot of treachery here. So be careful this week. You'll have to be really careful about this deception around house or house property or some inheritance. This is nothing to do with legal work, okay? Legal things associated with buying a house, maybe buying a house property, residential property, that's a different thing. It is not legal in a way of some court cases, all right? It can be inheritance, it is related to house, or within your family there is some deception happening. So keep your ears and eyes open, okay? Okay, so sixth line, the sixth, grave, the rider, the ring. All right, so guys, I believe you are somebody who is going to receive a message of marriage, partnership, um, uh, but yeah, so probably at this point of time, before that happens, there is a transformation that would happen. Transformation in a way, an ending is there, I am saying, okay? There is an ending that will lead to a beginning for you, and that beginning will be really good, thankfully. So this week for sure, next 8 days I believe are days wherein something in your life is definitely ending, so that something new can really start in your life and take you towards something permanent. All right, so it can be a job offer. Do not be sad, okay? In case the things that are happening at this point of time, currently you may be a little disappointed, feeling as if you've lost the battle or whatever. It's not the truth. Very soon a new something new is coming up, and some partnership, or it can be marriage, most probably, since it is ring, this is what I'm finding out. But it can be depending upon your situation. If it is something that you're looking for, a marriage or a proposal, somebody is definitely coming in your life to bring in that news. All right, yet another thing that I'm seeing is, for this new thing to come into your life, this sadistic change of your life, which I call transformation, is very important for you. This person, this particular partnership is actually calling forth this ending. So be happy. It seems this week is going to be very good for you. All right. Now, seventh is this diagonal, and your cards are mice, fox, grave. All right, guys. Um, so yes, there is some stress around your office work, your employment, salary, um, or somebody, or maybe office politics. All right, so you're stressed about these matters, and that would lead to some ending. It may be a possibility that because of this stress and anxiety around this employment thing and that office politics, maybe you'll find that out this week, and that would lead to some ending for you. I would want you people to really comment in the comments section here and let me know how is that, because this cunning thing, this this politics in your life will end, and will end for a better beginning. Okay, so yeah, so an ending is coming. Okay, the last eight. The cards are owl, fox, ring. I believe there is a social gathering, something of that sort, wherein some, have you been online, guys, for dating or something? Something doesn't feel very right to me here. So, um, it can be somebody in the office that you like, or in the workplace, or somebody helping you out with the work, your employment basically. Um, so yeah, so there's somebody you're meeting. Um, Either you're meeting somebody from your work related environment, and you'll have a great partnership with this person, maybe in uh, I mean, this doesn't sound like a marriage partnership. Some deal, you'll be able to you'll get a deal. You'll be able to crack a deal this week. You'll get that information somewhere in the Mm, yeah. While talking to somebody in a group, you will be getting this contract. Be clever, okay? This is important for you to have an understanding, because um, here it is important for you to understand that this contract will come only to the people who are clever enough to sort out what communication is important for you and which ones has to be left out. So be a little smart, okay? Yeah, so these are your individual messages. Now let me give me some few seconds to give you an um, overall message for this week. So, guys, I do see here this week for most of us is the week of, um, I'll go ahead with the chess kind of a thing. Um, I do see there are different interpretations, a lot of meanings come up. And this is a grand tableau that in the Lenormancy field. So it is actually saying, if I consider these as past and this is your present and this is as your future, if I go ahead with that simple interpretation also, in the past there has been some transformation around your house, maybe renovation, maybe reconstruction, some get together, towards some get together, or something of that sort, and that get together continues and brings in a message for you at this point of time. Definitely, you, for your employment, for your job purpose, you are talking to people. So in your head there is a lot of anxiety about, I need to meet people, I need to find out right group of people to get employment, a long term salary kind of a thing. And yeah, you will be receiving that message also in the future. That stress treachery definitely continues. And this week, I believe, from whichever angle, if I see, there is news which is coming, there is transformation happening. You need to be really clever about a few things. Some details are very important for you to keep with your own self. Meetings, and meeting either one on one or meeting in a group. All right, so that is also a theme for this week. Um, there is some other woman playing a part in your in that relationship also. A woman definitely is involved. It can be a business partnership also. So do not go around now, hover around your partners saying, oh, Lenore Mincy said there is another woman. So please don't do that. My advice to you will be to pay attention to details, be in groups, but do not stress out. Be very, very clever and detailed, well informed, rather, I would say, of all the details that corresponds to your employment, to a new partnership or a contract that you're trying to enter. And around your house, family, inheritance. So whichever, do not get into gossips. Filter out what is for you and what is not for you. Do not stress about short-lived chit chats. There, 100 mouths will have 100 information. Pick the one which is very important. You have to be a fox and be clever of foxes. So it's very important that you are clever enough to not get cheated or deceived, nor you have to deceive anybody. So just be very careful about it. Okay. um, yeah, I believe, yes. There are few cards which are continuous. So deception is a card which keeps repeating here. Communication and groups card has been repeating itself. Um, a partnership um, is yet another theme for this week for a few of you. Um, and yes, transformation around stress. So this week definitely will be, because something is ending for all of us and something new is beginning. I'm sure you will feel a little out of your skin, out of your comfort zone, trying to find out a lot of details about things that you have to get into. If a contract is happening, or a partnership is happening, or it's a marriage partnership, or any sort of partnership, you have to be very, very clear. Just this tableau actually tells me that emotions this week is not your theme. Your theme is transformation. Your theme is to control your stress and anger, stress and deception. Be aware of how much to pick, whom to pick, where to spend your energy on, and protect your house from silly talks and silly deceptions. All right. So I hope you liked it. These are your messages. Please share this video if you liked it with your friends and family members. Do subscribe to my channel in case you have not yet subscribed. Do comment about how this week goes for you people, or how is it going. And I'll be waiting for your comments. Yes. Thank you, everybody. Please take care of yourselves.